Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Memberstack in Webflow sites step by step clearly. To authenticate with Memberstack in your Webflow site, start by creating a Memberstack account. Log into your Memberstack dashboard. In your Memberstack dashboard, select the Add a New Site option. Enter your Webflow site's URL and save the changes. Next, navigate to the Settings tab in Memberstack. Here, you will find the API keys needed for authentication. Copy the API key provided in this section. Now, switch to your Webflow project. Open the project settings in Webflow. Go to the Custom Code tab. In the Head Code section, paste the Memberstack API script. Make sure to include the script tag around the pasted code. After that, scroll down to the before/body tags section. Paste the following Memberstack initialization code, memberstack.init, save your changes. Next, return to Memberstack and create a new login or sign-up form. Design your form in Webflow as per your requirements. Make sure to include fields for email and password. Assign the form the Memberstack attribute for sign-up or login. For sign-up forms, use the attribute data_ms_form equals sign-up. For login forms, use data_ms_form equals login. Now, create a button for form submission. Assign the button the attribute data_ms button to trigger Memberstack functionality. To test the integration, publish your Webflow site. Visit your site and attempt to log in or sign up using your form. Check the Memberstack dashboard for user authentication updates. If successful, you have integrated Memberstack authentication into your Webflow site. Review any error messages if authentication does not work as expected. Make necessary adjustments to your form or attributes based on the feedback. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.